Hey guys, this is a review of the Marlowe and Company Silicone Pretend Play Doctor Kit for children. And the brand did send me a free sample for me to check out, so I wanted to share with you how cool this item is and demonstrate some of the things that come with the kit. So you can see it comes in a handy cloth bag that you can keep everything in, and I'm just going to dump it out now and show you the items that do come with this kit. First and foremost, you can see it comes with a stethoscope that the children can use. Now it is a very soft silicone material. All these things are made out of a soft silicone material that's easy to clean. You can even put it in the dishwasher. So you got the stethoscope. I'll run through them here real quick. You got a thermometer. Once again, very soft and bendable. Got this play medication tube here, the cap. You got this syringe that does go out and in, so very realistic for children. You got this ear scope here. Once again, the soft silicone. You got a few bandages here. So overall, this will spark your child's imagination. They can have fun pretending they're a doctor or at the doctor's office or veterinarian's office. It should help with fine motor skills as they play around with all the features and details that are included in this toy, and it is sure to provide hours of fun and spark the imagination of your little ones.